So Dustin, whether somebody chooses to go with a frame shower door or a frameless shower door, one thing they're going to have to decide on is the hardware options. So we have a few different types of pulls here. Sure. Can you talk about those for us?
For sure. So what you see is a really small version of what we actually have selection-wise in door handles. But they just need to choose from a knob or an actual pull. There's pulls that go full-length door. But at the end of the day, it just comes down to what's the best functionality and what's the best feel for a client.
And speaking of options, they're also going to have to choose the finish for the pull or the hardware.
Right.
And it looks like there's a lot of options.
So for the most part, depending on what you pick for your bathroom, there's a really good chance we're going to have something to match, right? Because everybody's got their own colors.
What kind of trends have you seen right now in the industry? What are people going towards?
Sure, so matte black is a really popular piece. We're starting to kind of see some golds come back, which is shocking. They're putting a bit of an antique to it, so it's more of a darker color. And then of course your staples in the industry have been brushed nickel and oil bronze for a while. And the classic chrome obviously still is a very good piece.